Hello champion, I'm teacher Adam. Welcome to my math class. I'm still continuing with the same topic of quadratic, but we are dealing with fractional equations, how to solve fractional equation. And we are going straight to one of the question here. It says, the area of this rectangle is 12x plus 2 square centimeter. Find the value of x. So we have been given a specific rectangle. And this is my sketch of my rectangle, and then it says the area, its area is 12x plus 2 square centimeter, and width is 5 centimeter, the length is 3x minus 2. Find the value of x. So we've been told to find the value of x, but we've been given the area. So what do? We know area of a rectangle is normally length times width. Our length is 3x minus 2 centimeter and the width is 5. So can you open? So 5 times 3x is 15x, 5 times negative 2 is minus 10. So this is the area in square centimeter. 15x minus 10 square centimeter. Then this one should be equated to, now if that's the area, equate it, because you equate it to the actual area given, 12x plus 2 square centimeter is equal to 15x minus 10. Then what do you do in that case? You will take 12x the other side and negative 10 this other side. So you have 2 plus 10 is equal to 15x minus 12x. So you get 12 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3. What is the value of x? X is equal to 4. After finding the value of x as 4, now the actual value of x, which is 4, and you can, if you find that one, that means you can be able to solve the area, or if even they ask you the perimeter. Now, we are going to the same topic. It says solve this equation. Now, what happens when you're given two algebraic fractional equation, and then you're told to solve? One is given here, like we say, x plus 6 over x is equal to x minus 3. And then you're told to solve out. What do you do in that case? It's very simple, dear candidate. Just cross multiply. Cross multiply. As simple as it is. So you take the whole x minus 3, multiply with x plus 6. Then x and x, denominator with numerator, denominator with numerator. From both, expand normally. X times x, you get x squared. And then x times that, it becomes plus 6x. And then minus 3x. Then minus 18 is equal to x squared. And then just to collect like terms, x squared plus 6x minus 3x is plus 3x minus 18 is equal to x squared. Then collect like terms. X squared and x squared, obviously, there will be 0. And then you will remain with 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. Because x squared minus x squared is 0. And then say 3x is equal to 18. Divide by 3, x is equal to 6 as the value of x. I think you have seen how these kind of questions are being solved. Let me do another example. They say, so x plus 5 over x is equal to x divided by x minus 4. Then cross multiply the whole fraction. Cross multiply numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator. So x minus 4, the whole of it, into bracket x plus 5 is equal to x times x. Cross multiply x and x, you get x squared. X times x, x squared. And then x times 5 plus 5x. And then negative 4 times x is minus 4x. Then negative 4 times plus 5 is minus 20 is equal to x squared. Then x squared plus x minus 20 is equal to x squared. Then x and x 0. You remain with this x and x is 0. X minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 20. This is how you solve. This is how you solve. This concept is highly tested in your final IGCSE exam. Don't take it for granted. You cannot go to do any calculator paper and expect not to be tested this kind of concept. It can either be involving factorization or expanding, but it's still the same topic of algebra, which is in quadratic. So if they don't bring solving by factorization, by completing the square, or by using the formula method, then they will test this kind of concept in both papers. So you need to prepare yourself mentally and also know how to apply this knowledge in different concepts where you're asked. You just need to be ready for this unit. So I can't wait to take you through this kind of concept and show you all the examiner's tricks just for you to pass your final IGCSE exam. See you at the top champion. Let's meet in my next math class. Bye bye.